Well, the Dow's flirt with 20,000. We'll have to wait until the new year. Investors were in a selling mood on Friday, the final trading of the year, sending the markets modestly lower. But the mood remains bullish about the economy. After a slow start, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 13% in 2016.
Over the past year, the U.S. economy added more than 1.7 million jobs in the private sector, and hourly wages increased nearly 3%. So what does all this mean for 2017? Here with some insight is Jill Wagner, a correspondent for CBS MoneyWatch. Jill, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, the consumer confidence has hit a 13-year high right now. Where's all the optimism coming from, do you think?
Well, before the election, consumer confidence was up, and a lot of that has to do with the housing market, which is very strong right now, and also the job market. Unemployment, the rate is at its lowest level since before the financial crisis. Certainly, though, you can't underestimate the impact that Donald Trump winning the White House has had, not only on the stock markets, but people are feeling like change is coming. They are feeling hopeful. He talks a lot about adding jobs, manufacturing, and bringing that back to the United States. So there's a feeling that he's going to be a lot more pro-business, and that has people feeling confident.
He's also talked a lot about renegotiating trade and tariff agreements. What kind of impact do you think that'll have on the market?
Okay, so this is the big wild card, and there's a lot of talk out there. He's been really tough, at least in talk on Mexico and also China. And those are two of the United States' biggest trading partners. There has been discussion of possibly putting a tariff on goods that are imported to the United States, and that could mean that Americans will be paying more for everything from cars to clothing. Yep. So that could have a very, very big impact. There is thinking that this is just tough talk and part of a negotiating tactic, and that this is a way for his administration to negotiate better trade deals. One thing that a lot of the investors say is any type of trade war could be potentially disastrous.
Right. The Fed, at the same time, has signaled interest rates are going to go up this year, maybe as many as three to four times. What do you think that will have as an impact on the economy?
Well, so far, the Fed has raised interest rates twice since the financial crisis, once a couple of weeks ago and last December. And that means that people are paying more, everything from mortgage rates, car loans, and also credit card rates. So far, there's only been 2 increases. The talk now is that there could possibly be 3 next year, and that will have a big impact on what people are paying.
All right. That's going to be an interesting year. Jill Wagner, thank you so much for being here.